In the previous examples, we have been using the time module, which is included with Python. Python is distributed with a large library of modules that you can take advantage of. As a matter of fact, I suggest looking at what the Python standard library has to offer before writing any of your own code. For example, if you want to read and write CSV, separated values files, don't waste your time reinventing the wheel. Simply use Python's CSV module. Do you want to enable logging in your program? Well, use the logging module. Do you want to make an HTTP request to a web service and then parse the JSON response? Use the URL lib request and JSON modules. The list of what's available in the Python standard library is located at the URL located at the top of your screen. I suggest taking a look at what's included in the Python standard library. You can accomplish a lot with very little code on your part by taking advantage of the library. Let's use the exit method from the sys module to cleanly terminate a program if we encounter an error. In this example, the file test.txt is opened. If the program encounters an error opening the file, the code block following the except statement will execute. If the reading of test.txt is required for the remaining program to function correctly, there is no need to continue. Note that the exit method can take an exit code as an argument. If no exit code is provided, 0 is used. By convention, when an error causes a program to exit, a non-zero exit code is expected. Here we exit with a status of 1 if an error is encountered. Just as Python has a library of reusable code, so can you. If you want to create your own module, it's easy. Remember that in the simplest form, modules are files that have a .py extension. Simply create a Python file with your code and import it from another Python program. The first block of code on your screen contains the contents of the say-hi.py file. The second block of code shows how you can import and use the say-hi module. To call the say-hi method within the say-hi module, use say-hi.sayhi. The output that is produced is hi. This is another simple module called say-hi2. At the top of your screen are the contents of this file, say_hi2.py. First, the say-hi function is defined. Next, a print function is called. The block of code in the middle of the screen is how you would import and use the say-hi2 module. Finally, at the bottom of your screen is the output by running that code. You might not have expected that output, so what happened? Well, when say-hi2 is imported, its contents are executed. First, the say-hi function is defined. Next, the print function is executed. Luckily, Python allows you to create programs that behave in one way when they are executed and another way when they are imported. If you want to be able to reuse functions from an existing Python program but do not want the main program to execute, you can account for that. When a Python file is executed as a program, the special variable __name_ is set to __main__. When it's imported, the __name_ variable is not populated. You can use this to control the behavior of your Python program. Here we create a say-hi function. Next, we create a main function. This is how we want the program to behave when it's executed directly. Finally, we have an if statement that checks to see if the program is being executed. If it is, then the main function is called and that block of code is executed. If the module is imported, the main function never gets called or executed. This is a common pattern, and you'll see this in many Python applications. Again, when this is imported as a module, nothing is executed unless explicitly called from the importing program. Here is what would happen if I were to execute this program from the command line.